Michael Saylor's strategy meets all criteria to be listed in S&P 500. Ladies and gentlemen, you don't have to manufacture things. You don't have to produce things at all. Quote unquote, you just have to own stuff. This man has Bitcoin. That is all it takes. Seems to be. So we have to play the game right. Congratulations. Yeah. Michael Saylor is a popular business figure in United States. His company is a dead company right now as a business side, but as a Bitcoin reserve side is something unseen, and just collecting this stuff and you're rewarded. If you don't know him, I try to introduce and try to interpret what he's trying to do, and his company's Bitcoin portfolio right now $70 billion, which leads $640,000 almost Bitcoins, and his average cost is $71,000. Right now, it is like $111,000, kinda, and he has just teeny tiny 54% gain. Teeny tiny, right? Just not even doubled it. It is I don't know, it is something we don't getting used to it easily. So that number is tells us something. We don't push things one trade there, two trade there, I sell it, I short sell it. You don't need it. Just buy a company, buy a scarce asset a lot, and offer shares, dilute shares, and shareholders happy about it, about these diluting thing, because dilution, share offering, which means more cash for the company, more Bitcoin purchasing, and it is kind of leverage because you get in debt. That has to be paid, and whenever the time comes, things could get ugly. Not will be, but we saw these kind of things. So there is two separate ideas about it. One is, what is S&P 500? S&P 500 is top 500 companies in US. So whenever Coinbase got in S&P 500 index, and stock price nearly doubled in a short period of time. And Ryan Hawk, I don't know him, says Coinbase did that strategy, formerly known MicroStrategy, Michael Saylor's company, can double it too. Not financial advice, But yeah, it could happen if S&P 500 goes up, strategy goes up, more debt, more dilution, more cash to buy Bitcoin, and it's kind of a cycle. We will see how the cycle goes, but it looks shiny. It's look shiny, of course. People got a little bit getting in the risky things, and strategy MSTR did the hell of a move a couple of years since, I don't know, 2020 in stock price, man, of course. And the other idea is debt have to be paid. Yeah, convertible bond is a getting in a debt. This kind of financial instrument is a complicated instrument. I don't explain it right now, but if Michael Saylor has to sell one Bitcoin, he told it he won't, but everything can happen. So if liquidity dries out, no cash coming in the markets, we can see these kind of moves. So Bitcoin is nice asset, can be nice asset, but highly leverage, highly borrowing can be getting ugly quickly. But I don't see the risk right now. And lastly, I will not read it whole thing, but why the Bitcoin goes when Bitcoin goes up and up and up, MSTR stock, strategy company stock, did not go up because the even if the MSTR, the company, has had doubled the Bitcoin amount of the reserve, but there is no action in the stock price because stock price getting diluted, meaning if 1 million shares offered in a, I don't know, 2 years ago, right now hypothetically 5 million, and 4 million shares turns into cash goes Bitcoin, and cycle returns. Bitcoin has to go big, go really big. Every market player, big market players, trying to do such a thing, trigger the FOMO, fear of missing out effect. It's so obvious. Whenever things so obvious, market tends to not to go there. Market's like a little bit shy, if you point out the direction to where it should be goes. Maybe it can go there, but not running away, not this shyness is a curse, maybe, I don't know. Yeah, strategies, Bitcoin goes up forever, $1 million per coin. Will be, maybe, if there is a lot of money printing, maybe. Yeah, that's it for today. I hope you enjoy it.